This is a dianthus going to seed, and I just wanted to show you the difference between a viable seed and one that's ready to be planted. You open up a seed pod that looks like this, that's still green. This right here is a seed that will not grow if you plant it, versus this seed pod that you can see has already popped open in itself, and I think you can see the seed pods inside. See if we can shake them out. Lots of seeds that will grow once planted or self-seeded. You can see the color between them is very obvious, and for the one that's ready to plant or ready to go for next year, it is the seed pod itself popped open. So if your seed pods look like the one on the left, those seed pods will not germinate. If they look like the one on the right, they're ready to go. Hi, Rosie. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Hi. You're my good girl.